Hi everyone, welcome to the Beth's Kitchen. Today's recipe is how to make super soft hot dog buns, bakery style. It's so soft and delicious. All ingredients and measurements are listed in the description box just right below the video. To view it, click into the word Show More or a small drop-down arrow on the right-hand side. Now let's get started. All of these ingredients are easily to find at any supermarket. I use kosher beef hot dog, but you can use any other kind of hot dog that you like. Unsalted butter and bread flour. I always use this brand of flour, and in my opinion it makes the best bread. Instant rice yeast, egg, and some sesame seed. This recipe will need 2 cups of bread flour, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1/4 teaspoon of kosher salt, and 1½ teaspoon of quick dry yeast. Three tablespoons of unsalted butter, ½ cup of whole milk, 1 egg. Use egg, butter, and milk when it's still cold. Add all dry ingredients into a large bowl. Stir to mix it well. Then add butter. Cut it to small pieces. Then add milk and egg. Then mix it well. Scrape the dough down and start kneading. Today I will knead the dough by hand. The dough is quite sticky, but it's not so bad. I knead my dough for about 4 or 5 minutes with a strong and sturdy hand. At the beginning, the dough will be sticky, but the longer you knead, the dough will be less sticky and more elastic. If you have a stand mixer like KitchenAid, then use that to knead your dough. It's very simple. Just add all dry ingredients into the mixing bowl. Mix well, then add butter. Pour in egg and milk. Mix it well with a wooden spoon. Then mix on speed number 2 or 3 for 5 minutes. Then let your machine rest for a few minutes. Then continue to knead for 5 more minutes. Then cover, let it rise in the warm place for 3 to 4 hours or until it rises double. After 4 minutes of kneading, my dough is tough and not sticky anymore. That is good. Grease around the bowl with some vegetable oil. Roll dough around to coat with oil. Then shape it to a round ball. Cover the dough with warm damp towel. I proof my dough in the oven for 45 minutes. Proof time will vary. It's depending on the temperature where you live. Dough rise faster in hot weather compared to cold weather. If you keep your dough at room temperature, then it will take a lot longer, maybe double the time of mine. After 45 minutes, my dough looks like this. It's soft, but it doesn't have the right texture yet. That is why I will need to knead it again, 4 to 5 minutes, or until it's soft and elastic. The first time rise always lower than the second time. If you knead your dough by stand mixer, then you don't need to knead or proof the dough twice. The dough feels soft at first, but the longer you knead, the dough will get warmer and become a little sticky. It's normal, so don't worry. Now shape dough to round ball. Very nice, soft. And lightly grease the bowl with vegetable oil. Cover the dough with warm damp towel and let it rise again for 60 minutes. This recipe will make 10 buns. I will need 10 hot dogs and keep the hot dog standing to dry before wrapping. One large baking pan that lined with parchment paper. Combine 1 egg and 1 tablespoon of water. Whisk it well together to make egg wash. I will use this egg wash to brush the buns later. After 1 hour, the dough looks like this. Lightly grease your work surface. Then transfer the dough onto the work surface. Divide dough into 10 equal pieces. And it's very easy to shape the dough. Pick up the dough and throw it down for a few times to release any large air bubble. Then roll and stretch the dough into a long rope. Keep rolling until it looks smooth. It should be about 13 to 14 inches long. Then roll the hot dog and wrap the dough at the same time. It's very easy and fun to make these. That's it. Set it aside and continue until you are finished all your dough. Proof in the oven for 20 minutes. Or let it rise in the warm place for 40 to 50 minutes. Now it's time to brush the buns. Brush with egg wash and brush it twice. Sprinkle it with some sesame seed. Then bake it right away. Bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 177 degrees in Celsius. Preheated oven. Oven rack at the third upper shelf. And baking time around 20 to 25 minutes. At 17 minutes of baking, remember to turn the pan around to make sure it browns evenly. Baking time may be different for some ovens. Mine is done after 24 minutes. It looks beautiful. I will let it cool for 10 to 15 minutes before serving. It's beautiful golden brown and it smells delicious. I hope you enjoy the recipe and don't forget to click like and share the recipe with many others. Subscribe to my channel to be notified on my next video. Homemade fresh baked bread are the best. The color is beautiful and it's very light and so soft. My kids and their friends really like it. It tastes perfect with mustard or ketchup. It tastes wonderful. I hope you will give this recipe a try. For more easy and delicious printable recipes, please visit my website at tbsp.com. Thank you so much for watching and supporting The Best Kitchen. I hope you have a wonderful day.